Good morning, traders, and welcome to our pre-market forecast of this morning for Friday, June the 4th. My name is Manny Cabrera, founder of NBC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast. Let's quickly jump to our news items for this morning. As we can see, a bit busy. We currently have Federal Chairman Powell speaking, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, he's speaking today. We have inventory, we have average hourly earnings, employment change, and the unemployment rate today at 8:30. So keep your eyes peeled to these reports. These are definitely market movers. Let's jump to our analysis with our daily chart, our general look at the market. What's been happening in this market? Again, more sideways action, more of the same, guys. Basically, this is just more of the same. Small ranges, lower volumes between two key areas. This is what we have expected. This is what we're going to keep seeing. Your immediate resistance is obviously the intraday high, the all-time high. Immediate support is obviously the 20 SMA, and that's where we are right now. Let's look a little deeper behind these numbers as we go to another time frame here, just to look a little bit closely. Again, this area here, this key area here, double pivot, double top before. Retested, failed, using it as resistance, as support now, and here we go again. Market is coming right back into this level here after it broke the intraday, this trend line to the upside. Look how it broke, fiercely broke, clearly found support at this previous resistance, bounces right back, right off on the backside of our trend line, coming right back here to retest this particular area one more time. So what are we expecting to see today? What are we expecting to see today? What are we hoping to see today? Well, it's going to be the testing. First test is going to be resistance in this level here. Second test is going to be this support here. Any break above any of these areas is essentially what we're looking for. Any break above this level here, we're looking for a potential run to this key level here. Any break below here, we're looking for this particular area here to be tested. So that's the key. Always have a plan. Always have a plan. Make sure that you wait for the confirmation before you start pulling triggers in this decision. Let's look at one more time frame. This is our trade chart here, the one that we use to make our trading decisions. And here we are again. This is the intraday high of yesterday, intraday low. Market is clearly between two of them. You notice how the market is currently compressing. When you see these markets that are moving sideways, you're going to see a lot of these compression patterns, There's really only one way to wait for these patterns. Unless you have some clean activity and here some good runs and retracements, you pretty much ignore these areas. You're looking for trades from these extremes, from these trend lines, either to the upside or to the downside. First test, is the market going to come back here and hold? That's the first test. Or is the market going to come straight up here and hold? One of those tests is going to happen ultimately this morning. That's what we're looking for first. Eventually, if it doesn't hold, we're looking for a break, potentially above this, potentially holding support here and trying to move higher. Same thing here, break below here, expecting the retracements to the area before it continues lower. Basically, those are the trades that I'm looking for. Once again, these types of compressions are easy to trade if you have the patience to wait. And this is what you need in this market. This market is going to be slow, low volume. It's going to be just sloshing around for a while. Trades are going to take a while to form, and they're going to take a while to develop. You need an extra dose of patience. Wait for the confirmation, guys. And when you're in a trade, you have to have patience. Take care and have a great trading session.